Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase bodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. Ufuna ukwenza sure uthelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with my son. Welcome Dlamini. Shenderebobo. She popo. She. Take me straight to the couples. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase ubhodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Come on! Angeze ukusazuza. Yo. Kodwa ngiyibona nje mase bewulahle umuntu benza kanjalo. Bebekufuna eThekwini.
Baba wami.
Engwenya Beach. Emhlanga Ngwenya Beach.
Yabona inkosi ukuthi ayahamba ithi. Yathi
Labo. Wabona namaclip engaphosteka. Clean ulozolo uphaqa indefa. Ulwadla. Ifebe. Neyifebe. Ifeba lapha eThekwini. Sanibona siswami. Ninjani mfethu? Tobuza man. Sorry, angazi noma niyenadlula nikhona indawo ingwenya crash mhlawumbe ekhona ngala phezulu. Shosho ngadina phezulu.
Ngwenya crash.
Yeah.
Hayi ngathi ngapha phela.
Ngabe santi le?
Ngathi ngapha ngithi.
Ngiyabonga ubani ka my brother? Junior. Siswami? Precious. Oh, ngiyanibona khathi siqhamuka la beni lokuniyimele la. Cha ningasukozani ningasuka endaweni yini. Ningasuka endaweni yini.
Ngapha ngenzansi.
Oh, ninzansi. Bengithi nizimele la.
Hayi shy walk nje small.
Shy walk. Ngikukhuluma nani because mina ngizovela ngingenele ngaphi crash. So wena Precious no my brother niyathandana?
Yeah, ngiyathanda.
Oh, sene isikhathi esingakanani mhlawumbe ningile relationship together?
5 years.
5 years. Ungathini uyithanda ngomtshito wakho? Ukariki ingwe ratanga yena.
Yeah. I love him so much. Yeah.
I love you baba Jaya.
Showcase.
My soulmate.
Soulmate. Wena my brother bani kama? Junior ungathini uyithanda ngosisi?
Man, you can see now. Shy 360 man, 360. You can see.
Yeah.
She's a part.
I'm baminangi hake nje. I'm 360 it's not enough. Sabinangi hake you got the best one. Showcase. Awuzalo. Krupa gavez ay.
Why am I?
Another krupa. Mfethu amkunqaba mangisempuna uba umngani wakho.
Jaya uyazi na.
Junior. So Junior mfethu ngifisa ukwazi kuwena mfethu ukuthi uzimisele ngani usis Precious. Mhlambe in future ubona ifuture injani between lethu.
Mfethu yabona leyo. Lo muntu wami lapha nginamthanda ngendlela esimanga ngitho. Yabona nje I feel like sinemuzi, sinabantwana.
Nice.
Like
Sinemali.
Sinema-business like yabo. But angifuni ukuthi yena asebenze.
Sure.
I want to be a man,
Provide.
Because you can see.
Yeah.
She's my precious.
Precious. Wena nje umsebenzi wakho kwenza le torho.
Yazi Jaya.
Kwenza le torho. Juna le torho labuthi. La buthi.
Melazi kumele yabo. Indoda mele.
Yeah, ndoda must showcase. So sister, I want to know from you. If mhlambe unga found out ukuthi my brother uyacheat, what will you do?
I'll be happy because that's my soulmate.
Yeah.
Oh, we've been dating like That's my husband to be.
To
you know.
be.
You know.
Husband to be. When what will you do if you find out ukuthi lo sisi uyachita?
Yo. Mfethu, hi angazi.
Ne?
Hey, ngeke mama.
Ngeke.
Na.
Na. I'm happy. So my brother, in a scale of 100 wena ungathi umthemba kangakanani usisi?
Angithi 98.
98. Wona 8%. Wena usithemba kangakanani?
100.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
100.
100. Ukhona nomunye umuntu othanda naye ngaphandle kwalo sisi?
Hayi,
Thanda naye phela.
hayi ngithandana naye kuphela.
Power to that.
Uyena.
Sister. Oh my brother. Uyena phela.
Uyena kuphela nje.
Ikhona office uyixolisela kwa sister that you did mhlambe and akafound athanga ngayo and you just want to make it clear ukuthi uyaxolisa you didn't mean it.
There was one time lapho khona ngavaya ngaya ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyocheck umagogo edladleni nansi ngivayene amajita simonenge sayebone ngambambela ma
Benenzani eboneni?
besikhipha lapha
Lahla umlenze lapha. Le ndawo le ibonengi ila sigcwala khona la amabunju lapha.
besikhipha and umama ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyocheck umabhongo yagula and
Kanti usemaboneni?
kanti wafonela usisi wami usisi wami umtshela ukuthi hayi akekho lo muntu la
Usemaboneni.
and umama wamkhanda yawo.
So uyaxolisa.
Mama
Sister yamxolela
Ah,
for lying.
ngamxolela yo.
Very
This
sorry.
guy I really love him, shame. Since day one. Yo.
I'm sorry.
And I really trust him. Yeah.
So when a sister in a scale of 100 to ka re mo tshepa ha kae?
99.99%.
0.999. Without 99.
Like
Wena o itshepa ha kae?
100.
100. O teng motho o ratanang le yena besides
No. I'm very loyal.
the very loyal.
Very loyal.
Nice one. A ke batle go le jela nako ne
Yeah.
because you guys are also walking down. But before you guys go, there's a thing that we do. It's called loyalty test.
Yeah.
Loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. When a sister o ka motho ga go phone ga go for 60 seconds go share on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, ali berekisa gore o fleta le bonganga ke rona na bothata because o ratana le moshimane o hela. Yeah. Yini? Oh. Indaba bethu.
mama yazi.
Hayi bo. Sondela welcome mbo wa tumela.
Let's continue with our
No. Let's loyalty.
I like that.
we don't know this guy.
No.
We check loyalty, not the guy.
No.
Mama.
You check loyalty with your ex. Please. Who's the? They did this.
Serious.
Serious.
Let's do this.
Hey, let's phone in mfana.
Mama.
No mama wenzani uyakulahla manje? Mama, what's going on? Come this side, mama. Mhlokele toy makamba. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Indaba. You feel like running.
I'm right.
So tell me phone yakho. Is that okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Ke
Yeah, okay.
go pibule. Dango. Go pijwari me. Acha diras beat him. What's up? Mase ngithi type uzotype la. Makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvele igama lezinye ifebe la ungitshele ngoba lezi ifebe yizo ezobe zidla umuntu wakho. Understand? Right. So right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. When we're about to tap the trenders, tap lapho uthi I love you. Sister, talk to me. Umuntu esomuntu ushilo kuyokas.
Yeah, banshela. She wrote a lot of them.
That.
Vela mina la.
Vela wena.
Yeah, vela mina no mama.
No worry, bezo scroll naphansi ucheck
Vela mina no
because kwezinye indawo kuvela ulove yethu kwesinye isikhathi vela you yabo.
yeah.
Nice one. Delete ke lapho type uthi sex. Sishubise fast. So sex wayikupa mzala mokhona. Ayisondela wathi phala yokupa. Okay. Baba ngwe.
Solo vela mina nje yami. Solo vela
Ne?
mina. Solo vela mina.
Delete.
Ayo mama.
Yeah, don't delete. I'm very
Phuma lapho type uthi I miss you fucking hearts already. Nosamplenda.
Nah. I
Go ahead,
don't
delete.
cheat on him, shame. No, I don't delete. I'm very loyal to this guy.
Solo vela mina.
Delete lapho futhi ungitypela uthi money. Re bone gore ke bo mang ba go fang tšhelete.
Yeah.
Vela mina. phela mina.
Delete lapha. Type uthi come outside.
Come outside.
Phuma.
Hey.
Murata ne.
Ngamurata. Yo. This
I've
guy.
been next.
Thana I'm pregnant. Shasha awuthi amuqaqeke kulezi zinto lezi ziyenzeka ulele. Ziyenzeka.
I've been next.
Oza ngapha mkhulu. Delete lapha. Faka i-emoji ebrinjolo epentshisi nalamanzi athi qwa impophoma. Hayi ke awuthwa sister.
Yeah, that's like yo.
I-Facebook uyayidlala yona sister?
Facebook, I don't have account.
No, ne Instagram no account.
No.
Ayo clean.
Kuyashesha yabo?
Yeah.
Yini into obuyithukele?
Ish.
Nika ifoni. Sithathe yakho. Ivule fast. Iban. Makeup. Mase ngisaphi uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lezinye ifebe la. Usho ukuthi obani lapha. All right, we on WhatsApp right now. We're about to tap that Shandis. I love you. Bhala lapha. Yini baba ubamba ikhanda manje. Wenzani awuthi you look like a dancer.
Yeah, I'm a dancer. Yeah.
Uyayazi lengokuthi nangamaphoyisa. Yeah.
Angayazi.
Uhlohla kuphi nesipam?
Angisifaka yi.
Sifaka yi.
Yeah, ngisifaka.
And then masuskipha.
Ngapha. Yeah, yele.
Wena-
Lebo, Junior.
Nakhe.
Lebo.
Lebo yamazi.
That's my best friend.
Junior.
That's my best friend from high school.
Ish. Okay.
Ah,
Ish.
Junior.
Ulebo mama, I can explain.
No, I don't believe this. Ulebo.
Kanti ulebo nani sister yini befeba kakhulu yini?
Huh?
Why udla uLebu wena? Umenzani uLebu ubest friend yakho?
Ish, ayisikanjalo nje ukuthi ish.
Yini uweek?
Yo.
Hayi bengithemtha naye uLebo mama nawe uyazi
Yeah. Ngithanda
She used
into
to come
likhuluma
around,
iqiniso.
yeah.
Yeah.
bengithemtha nawe.
So now
She used to wear
awukwazanga
small
yeah
skirts,
mtshele. No,
small
qhubeka mfethu
skirts,
khuluma naye.
Junior, I trusted you. I trusted you, Junior. Why you do this to me with Lebo, my best friend, and you know very well she's my best friend. Why you do this bad?
Athi uLebu bekafika agcoka iqephe. And then naye bekavela abona ukuthi
Ngifakele.
no ushilo usho ngini ukuthi bekakuthemtha. Ungenislim.
Ngiyaconfess.
Confess.
Ngiyaconfess mama ish. It was just a one time thing.
No la uma ngaka ngathanda. Ubekuthemtha ngoba ugcoka iqephe wagcina umqepheza.
Ish.
Ah, Junior.
I'm very
So
sorry.
senesikhathi singakanani nidlana wena noLebu?
Sha, fethu.
Kuluma.
Ish, angazi maybe 2-3 times. Like I would say she used to come around when you're not around. I'm told.
But Junior.
So njengoba you're always not around, she's around. And they are doing rounds.
Fethu.
Kinete.
Yo, undisappointile.
At least ikondom obeliberekisa ke 5 times 6 amungayithinti ingane. Iyozihlehle la iwe. Uyabona ukuthi against the pavement. Ufuna ukumwisa. Oh,
Junior.
condom.
I'm sorry, mama. It was 2-3 times.
Did you sleep with her?
Yeah, 2-3 times wacho.
Huh? Kuluma phela.
Condom nisebenzisile. At least.
At least. Hi.
Siyisebenzisa like
What if she's pregnant? What if?
What if?
Yo.
she's okay. She's
How? What's hayibo? Umcheke nini izolo? Uthi right beniphinda futhi.
ish no nje uyabona masebe yakanje.
Angazi.
Mara mama ngutshele ngathi azivayi lo muntu lona.
So sazoqhubeka utsho lena nje ngoba ubona ukuthi Slim sister aqolisa.
Yo.
Belithola indoda entsha sister ayikho lento.
Sorry mama like
Ungakhali.
serious. I'm very sorry.
Userious ngani? Ngokuxolisa.
Yo.
Awubambe la mfethu ngikunika ithuba uxolise kule ngane. Khuluma ngefoni ngemic lapho.
Mama listen.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry.
But Junior.
Very sorry.
Junior. Say Junior with Lebo. Lebu, out of all the people around, you cheat me with Lebu.
I'm very sorry, mom.
Best
I
friend.
have no
Best friend,
explanation.
and you know very well she's my best friend. You know very well.
and yona
I'm
sister
always with her.
and o tseba dilo tse ngata ka yena a mo ja a sa tsenya condom
Mfethu ngiyaxolisa
oh
mama
sorry
la, ngiya-
sorry
I'm very
Junior.
sorry, mom. I'm very
Junior.
sorry.
Junior, you really disappointed me.
sister uyayazi ingoma kaLebo angithi wena uyayazi indoda kaLebo ungqwayi lo
Angayazi.
Mm.
I'm very sorry. Mara mama
Ulebu
now-
is Febe.
Yes.
now you are always
Febe.
happy.
Yes.
So all along,
yebo
Oh.
yo. Junior.
ujwayeza my sister nayifebe
Junior.
Ish. Mfethu ngicela ukuxolisa la mfethu. Mama, I'm sorry. But we can talk about this. Let's go. Let's leave this guy.
No, we are
Let's
not
talk
going
about
osukhuluma isingisi manje
No.
No, mama.
No,
Sukhuluma
Junior,
isingisi
no,
wena.
Junior. Fatu.
I can explain.
Explain what? Explain what? Huh?
sister sazoqhubeka ujole nalo
Yo.
ungakhali ngikhona musubamba ingane wena nika ifoni yakhe sister sazoqhubeka usana nalo
Oh,
uhlehla singane yakhe hey musibamba
Mama's vibe.
this
ungakhali
guy he really
hey
knows.
hlehla man
Yo.
sister ungawari welcome nika umntwana ihaki hlehla wena
Hayi.
nika umntwana ihaki
Mara so
hey lo mntwana udinga ukukhamfathwa mahake wena welcome udinga ukukhamfathwa
mama nawe uyamhaka kanje.
ukusondela uzobona
Phambi kwami.
ukusondela uzobona ingane yakhali idinga
Mfethu uyabona usongihlukanisa.
sondela uzobona bukusisa
Usongihlukanisa nomama manje kanje.
zizwe njani sister manje ngiyona
Upe. Ngeke mfethu. Ngicela imama lamba mfethu ngeke.
yini ufuna welcome ekhaya yini
Cela sivaye.
ufuna welcome ekhaya yini
Hayish. Mfethu.
ufuna ihaki
Ngeke ngihaphi indoda. Mara mama ngicela sivaye.
qhubeka kulokhu usondela uzoyithola and yakho ngathi izoba malicious
Mama, can we
sister soqhubeka ujole nalo mfana lo
we can talk about this?
no awuthi mlinde aphendule sister usafe nalo mfana
This guy, he really
And
know
also-
I love him.
I'm
He
very
loves
sorry,
him.
mama.
Kore, yo.
and utwayitsa ka difebe
Kadi Febe.
yeah
I know Lebu very well.
yeah
I know her.
kitsho
That
myagara
girl.
Mara mama.
and wamudla ngaphandle condom ey nawe ayi
Yes.
nawe
Junior.
Asivaye. Let's go.
so sister uzohamba naye noma mhlambe ngitshela welcome requestele ubuyele ekhaya
Azovaya.
onzovaya
Agivayilwena.
Let's go.
ingane ayisafuni nje manje ufuna ukuhamba nayo enkani
Agivayilwena.
Sasiduze khona.
ayi namhla
You could go.
No.
Mfethu ngiyabona.
asibesikhupuka sister hey
No.
khathani wena hambiyekini la
Nyathi.
mqashweni
Angizohamba nomuntu wami.
okay it's a decide ke sister your decision uhamba noba nathi noma naye
We can talk. We can talk.
no
We can sort this thing out.
sambe sister ngithe welcome akuzokhaka wena asambe welcome akakufuni mtshele say your goodbyes
Ngimfuni.
yeah
Mama so
wenzeni angithi uyazi wena ukuthi wenzeni ujale bosifebe
apologize, mama. Like
I can't forgive you for this. No. No, no, Junior. Yo.
ejuna mfethu ejuna ujike mfethu
mara
ufuna ukubonani juna phela singakujikisa thina lenganithi ayisakufuni
I think maybe confused face.
uthi confused sister yamuza usakudelela uthi wena confused ikhanda lakho
Wandelela vele.
Mama, let's go.
why you tell us
I'm
sister
not going with you. I'm not going with you.
why uthi
Junior.
confused
No, I'm not going with you.
Mama, like sozohamba nabantu
No,
angabazi.
you hurt me.
hayi uyasazi ngujinja mina
I don't want to see you with you.
yeah Ish.
Mara, we can talk about it.
Not now.
Not now.
Please.
Please give her time, not now. Uthi ubuye next month kubo uzomncenga.
Next month. Mama, I will call you, Mama. Let's go. Let's go.
Ngikhalela ukukuphusha.
Mara bafethu kahle.
Stand still baba. Stand still baba. Wathatha 3 steps
We
uzobona.
can go, Mama. We can go.
3. Push.
Mara bafethu. Please, Mama. Serious.
Push. Hamba okungcono akafuni ukukhuluma nawe.
Ngiyayicelela bafethu, ngiyayicelela.
Ngizo yazi into
Mara bafethu.
last push. Push. Chika.
I can't leave
sokushaya ngamatshe wena mfana ngizovela ngitshela uyekhama kuyeke sikuququde ngamatshe nje uvike imbokotho nje sibuka abasitakhele zona kanjani uwe lo le ngane le sihamba nayo welcome ngicela uthathe lo mntana yomgibeza mfethu yayidinga le ngane yakhe mfethu kwatile sorry sister yazi ya ungakwati wena sister ngizomsola umuntu ongcono kunalo mfana Lebo
Lebo.
awa
My best friend
Awa.
from high school.
ene kupa mo bolele gore le yena o tla dila le yena straight
I will deal with her. This girl, but yo, Lebo.
wa
I
tella
trusted
wena
you so much
how
from high school.
ubatsha bashimane wena o batla everything for you Lebo
Everything
mshimane le
for you.
mshimane o mo bonang
For you.
o batla gore ibe wa gago
You really betrayed me, Lebo. You really betrayed me.
ene khale sister ya go tlogela
I won't
o baja ba bangwe
I
mara
won't
o a
forgive
gage
you, but for this,
Yeah.
our friendship end here.
o fake
End
Lebo
here. Fake, Lebo. Fake.
fake
Yo, hi, this girl.
Ah,
Yo.
e re go tsamaise go ga wena sister ga wena Lebo take me home. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.